Hi, I'm Chef Neil. I'm Vitaflow's Keto Chef. I'm going to show you how to make a really great Keto Mexican Empanada. Preheat the deep fat fryer to 180 degrees. Heat the olive oil in the pan, add all the ingredients in. Keep stirring until the chicken is cooked. This will take about 5 minutes. When the mixture is cooked, place into a bowl, cover with cling film, leave to cool for at least 10 minutes. I've pre-prepared a keto tortilla. Roll till you get a 12 cm circle. Add the chicken mixture to the centre. Crimp and seal the edge of the tortilla and place into the deep fat fryer. After 2 minutes, turn it over so you cook the other side. Shake off the excess oil and then it's ready to serve.